What's up, guys? Did you know that there are millions of pictures online that you can sell for free? Now, I'm not talking about royalty-free images. These are totally different images. These images and pictures that are being created by one of the world's most famous artists that you can sell easily and really quickly to make money online. This method is very easy. You don't need to be a photographer, you don't need to have your own quality camera, and you don't need any experience. What you need is one device like a phone, laptop, tablet, and also internet. I know that you are thinking that what if it's not available in your country? Don't be sad, because this method is available worldwide. Cool, isn't it? Let's not waste any time and let's roll the intro. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. Money, where we teach you the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content like this. Go ahead and like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Now let's go back to the video. You see, if you come over to Google Images and you search something like sunset, you can't just take any one of these images and sell it because they are copyrighted. As you click on here, you can see that this image may be subject to copyright, meaning that you can't take someone else's image or picture. Because you could probably get sued and any money that you make, you will have to return it. However, there was this thing called the public domain, meaning there are images that get released to the public that you can do whatever you want to. You can sell them, edit them, absolutely for free. Now, how do these images become part of the public domain? Well, if for example, the artist passes away or when the company releases some of the images, a lot of these different images become part of the public domain. For example, if you come over to Wiki and you search up Vincent van Gogh, who was a famous artist, if you scroll down, you can see this is the part of the public domain. So it means that you can do whatever you want with this image. If you come over into your mouse, you can right-click on this and click Save Image As. You can download this file and you can sell this image. I will show you several sites that you can do this with, and I'm gonna show you where you can go to sell them. So what you want to do is, first step, you want to come over to Google. As an example, you want to look up for famous painters. You can come over and you can see Van Gogh, Picasso, Leonardo da Vinci, etc. You can scroll that up and have a look at all the different types of artists to give you inspiration. I will share a website where you can get images for absolutely free, and it belongs to the public domain. But before we continue the tutorial, I just have a quick interruption for you guys. I just want to ask where my viewers are from, because I know that those money-making online websites are sometimes not available in your country. And that is why I want to make a video that is specifically available in your country. So tell me in the comments down below where you guys are from. Now let's go back. This website is giving free images that we can sell to the websites that I'm going to share later. For example, if you see this button right here that says stock, you can click that and we can change it into fine art. After that, we search for, ocean. What you can see is that these images are all painted. This is the site where you're gonna find a lot of these different images that were painted by famous artists. When you scroll down, you can find all these different types of images that you can sell, and when you click on some, you can see that some of these images look quite old and look quite rusty. So I'm gonna show you how to digitally enhance these images so that you can get even more money. This website is called freeimages.com. I'm going to share another website where you can get free images to sell online. In this website, we can search for an artist that paints really good. For example, we can search for an artist named Claude Monet. But before we search on her name, we need to click on this button right here that says Public Domain. You can see that these images are painted by Claude Monet, a famous artist. You can select different paintings of her and you can download them for free. This website is called rawpixel.com. Now I'm going to show you how to go through the entire process of downloading an image, how to enhance that image, where you can sell it, And then I want to show you bonus tips of how you can get all this done and get it shipped to the customer to the door, so that you can make thousands of dollars a day online. So the first step to these is you want to come back to any one of these different types of public domain websites. So let's take this picture as an example. So what you want to do is that you've got the download option right here, right? So we're gonna download these in any size that you want. Okay, after we download this image, what we want to do is we want to enhance this image. We want to make it look a little better. Now, in order to do that, you want to come over to this site called Photofilters.com. This is a free website that will allow you to digitally enhance these images, which will make it a little bit more attractive, so you can make even more money online. So this is quite simply, guys. You want to come to File and you want to go into Open, and once you click onto Open, you want to click the image that you downloaded, and there it is. Our image is in the website itself. What we want to do is we click onto Filters. When you click on Autocorrect 1, you can see that this is already looking better. It depends on your style. If this doesn't look good into your eyes, then you can select Autocorrect 2. It really depends on you. I want to stick with Autocorrect 2 because it has more colors and it looks more presentable to my eyes. After that, to enhance it more, we need to go to this button that says Basic and then click on Blur and Sharpen. What it does is it helps to emphasize the texture of your photo and increase its focus. If this image looks good to you, or maybe it needs a little bit of sharpening, you can do it for free. After that, click on Apply. Now what we want to do is, we want to download it or save it in our computer. So we come back into this button that says File. After that, click on Saved Image As. Put the file name you want and select the JPG file and click on to Save Image. After that, you can see this button right here that says Quality. If you select it up to 100, you can see that this image looks even better. After that, click on Save Image. After the image is ready, we can now sell it online and earn some money. Now there's a few websites that we can use to sell it online. First website is Redbubble.com. This is a print-on-demand service where you can put different types of images on all types of garments and products and bed sheets. If you come over to Redbubble and you type in posters, you're gonna be able to see all these different types of posters that people are selling, and if you scroll down, you're gonna find a lot of these different types of images and posters that people are selling onto the site. For example, if I type in Van Gogh into Redbubble and you scroll down, you're gonna find all these images. Take a look at this. You can sell these for $15 to $20 and as big as your price that you have in your mind. I can tell you that all of these images are on sale and you can sell them easily on this website, especially on these different types of images. The trick to these guys is to enhance these images like what I showed you, and you can make a lot of money. The second website that you can use is called Etsy.com. This is a fantastic site where people come over to list the whole range of different types of things. For example, with Etsy, you can see again that a lot of these people are selling these images, and if you click onto this image, you can see who's selling it, and you can also see how many sales they've made and how much they are selling it for. Also, we can search for different posters. So what you want to do is to do a little bit of research on these types of different posters. Or we can search for Japanese posters. You can scroll down and you can find a lot of these images. Because if you just search for these exact phrases on any one of those public domain websites, you will find these images and then you just have to bring them back either to digitally enhance them, and you can easily sell these different types of images. So how can you get these images framed up like this one over here and shipped to the customer's house? Because what you find is that a lot of these framed images you guys can sell for as much as $20 per piece. So to frame those images that you have, what you want to do is to come over to this website called Printful.com. So you want to sign up for an absolutely free account, right? What the site is going to allow you to do is, it's going to allow you to integrate. As you can see, you've got this integration tab, and when you come over to these, you can take a look at online marketplaces, and then you can integrate your image from Printful to Etsy. Meaning that when you integrate these and you sell these on Etsy, these guys will create the item for you as a frame, and they're gonna ship it to whoever buys these items. This is a game changer and a really cool way for you to make money online. So what you want to do is, when you are on Printful, what you want to do is click on Start Selling. This will bring you over to a page that looks like these, and this is where you want to get these images inside these different types of frames. So all you need to do is come up here to Search tab and type posters. Once you type in a poster, it's going to give you all these different options. If you scroll down to the Home and Living, you can see you've got these framed poster design makers. Okay, there are also a few other options, but we're gonna go with this one. So once you click on that, it'll bring you over to a page that looks like this. Now this is where you can choose the frame that you would like to put these different images in size. Let's say you wanted to go with these wooden frames. You can choose different styles and sizes that you want with this website. If you have decided what kind, size, and style you want, you can click on this button right here that says drop your design here. What you're gonna do is select upload and then click the image that we will be selling. After that, you can see that this website puts our image inside of the frame. You can play around it and you can design freely with whatever kind of style you want. After that, we can select this button right here to save the image. Now the next page that you're gonna see is, you will choose the mockup style. It is shown clearly how it looks like in your house, when it's handled by a person, how it looks in your room, etc. After that, you can scroll down in here and select Generate Files. Once these files are generated, you want to come back to Etsy and start selling those images. Okay, so listen up guys. What's very important with this is that you integrate Etsy with Printful.com. It's very simple and very easy. You can find it on Integration tab and select Online Marketplaces, then click on Etsy. All the details are in those tabs and you can browse it and then start making money online. And that's it! If you liked the video and if you learned something, smash the like button for me and click subscribe. Don't forget the notification bell, okay? As always, if you have any questions, concerns, and comments, just go to the comment section down below. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!